How's it going, guys? Finally riding with a buddy today. Going to Coronado. Adjusting my camera angle too, so hopefully you guys can see a little bit better over my double pods there. Flashing the lights at me. Heck. I don't understand that guy's deal. He was way far behind me too. Anyways, we're in Coronado today. Beautiful, cool bridge to ride over to. Buddies went to the thrashing shop. He was nice enough to give me a new pair of gloves, and they're freaking awesome. Thank you. I don't understand that concept. I'm a guy out in the open. All I got is two wheels under me and an engine. You got a damn cage, and you want to come up. I'm going 90. You want to ride my ass? Like, shouldn't your autopilot kick in and be like, stop being a dick? But nope, guess not. And I cannot stop raving about these thrashing gloves. Got a nice little stretchiness to them. Looks like they feel like they improved the palm a little bit, and they definitely did stuff right, that's for sure. Kudos to Thrashing for making the badass shit. Wish I could rock a set of their pipes, but California. Riding through Imperial Beach area of San Diego right now. Buddy over there is probably watching YouTube right now. Oh my god, that car just ran the hell out of that red light. Oh man. I always look twice. Like, really, dude? What the f? Idiots. Jesus. People, man. Buddy back there almost got turned into over there too. Today is not the day to ride, apparently. Now we're looking at the San Diego Bay. Thankful I get to live here where I get to see all this cool crap that's 10 minutes from my house. State Beach. Oh damn. I saw that one car coming to your lane.
Yeah, I was like, what the f***
Did you see the truck? No blinker? Right into my lane?
Tesla. I was like,
yeah.
why the hell are you going that fast? Like,
dude, I was going 90.
yo, I saw.
He was way back there too. He was hella far back there. One day I'll get a bagger. If any of you watching are ever in the San Diego area, down to ride. I'm always down to ride. I just want to rent one of those high rises for just a night. It's so tight. And if I had a house like this, the garage literally just filled with motorcycles, and that would be amazing. crazy to watch these planes land like literally right over your head. I think one of the things that hooked me most about riding is just the euphoric feeling you get just getting in the complete zone and losing yourself in the moment, basically. Awesome feeling. Sometimes I gotta like shake myself awake because I get too zoned. Just doing a short ride today with my buddy because I'm taking my girl out. She's been really twisting my arm about going on the streets. I think that's the only way she's going to be able to learn the best. Just get thrown in the fire. Alright, well, we just got to San Diego Harley and turn it off. See you guys. Thanks for watching. Later.